Hi everyone, welcome to Module 8. In Module 8, you're going to be reading Chapter 17. You're going to have Discussion Number 8, Reflection 8, and Accomplish 8 in the final exam this week. All work is going to be due by Thursday night, so make sure to focus on this. When you look at the reflection and the accomplished task is going to be 2 attempts. I'm going to take the highest of the 2 attempts. The final exam is going to be the same thing. So let me show you the setup on the final exam right here. On the final exam, right here, you have 2 attempts. I'm going to take the highest grade of those 2 attempts. But it's due by Thursday night. That's the key thing. So let's go over some of the questions on the final exam that you might see. Now we're going to look at the study of economics and what it defines. Monopolistically competitive markets. We're going to look at supply and demand. We're going to look at price elasticity of demand. We're going to look at inelastic goods and what that defines. We're going to look at quantity demanded if the price is $3. So what does that mean if the price is $3? Rent control, what is that? A monopoly, they're classified as a price maker. Why are they a price maker? What's the definition of elasticity? Internet company wants to increase the consumption of internet by 15%. Elasticity is 2. What does that mean? What is the study of economics? How do we define that? What are markets? What do they perform? What is the free rider problem? Profit maximizing monopolists will produce at. Don't let this question trick you. It's all markets will react the same way. Perfectly competitive market. What are the characteristics? In this graph, if I give you a price of $50, at a price of $50, what exists? Surplus or shortage? What is the marginal revenue of the 5th pound of cheese? To find the total revenue, it's price times quantity. To find the marginal revenue, it's the difference between those two. Profit maximizing level of output, right here, MR equals MC. So if we look at equilibrium where you don't see a graph, what exists if the price is below it? Another graph, if I give you $30, so right here, you're going to fill out everything based on this right here, this price. 23. Public or private good? I'm going to continue going through them, and I'll put high points to anyone that I think are very important. Monopoly, market demand curve, that's for all of the demands because they are the sole producer. Monopolistically competitive market, many buyers and sellers selling slightly differentiated products. Monopoly, remember MR equals MC. Go straight up to here, here's the price, here's how much they produce. Or output, I should say, in terms of the cost. Same thing, profit maximizing. Here's the cost to produce. Here's the price. Consumer surplus, 75 cents. So if it's 75 cents, this is all the consumer surplus right here. So if the price is $50, what exists at $50? You notice there's going to be a surplus. #41, looking at the 3 basic economic questions. Price elasticity. Price goes from 10 to 8. The quantity changes from 1 to 2. Develop or not develop. Use the equation to answer the question. And those are the questions you're going to see for this week. Make sure to finish it by Thursday night, but I wish you the best.